To proceed with a smooth automatic leveling, first select build plate, then level sensor calibrate to make sure the leveling sensor can be triggered. Please beware of the hot nozzle. Use our INTAMSYS leveling card to make sure the leveling sensor is triggered, then wait for the build plate to go up. Use again the INTAMSYS leveling card to make sure the distance between the build plate and the nozzle is okay. Use the main button to make sure the leveling is perfectly adjusted as shown in the video. After the calibration is done, select Auto Level. Make sure the build plate is clean and wait for the nozzle to heat up. Watch the 3 points leveling happen. After the successful auto leveling, you can choose whether or not the bed and the chamber temperature should be maintained.